Hello my friend, my name is Alex and I'm really glad to see you around on my channel. If you share my passion for photography, or you're just looking for tutorials, guides or some tips, or you just want to see some nice shots and drone footage, you have come to the best place. My goal is to help embark you on your journey as a photographer. My mission is inspiring you to get the most out of your shots, and my vision is sharing my experiences and knowledge with you. I hope to see you around as a part of our thriving photo community, and I would really appreciate if you would share the word, maybe subscribe to my channel, because as you know, sharing is caring.